In the 17th century, top scientists believe swallows spent their winters on the moon. Before modern tracking, the sudden seasonal disappearance of millions of birds was one of nature's greatest mysteries. Leading naturalists rejected the idea of long-distance migration across Earth. Instead, scholar Charles Morton published a detailed calculation arguing that birds flew upward for 60 days, entering space to reach the lunar surface. Others believed birds slept at the bottom of frozen lakes until spring. These ideas were published in respected academic papers until basic bird tagging proved global migration patterns in the 19th century.